Disability rights. Definition and explanation. Disability rights refer to the legal and social measures that ensure individuals with disabilities have equal opportunities, access, and protection in society. These rights advocate for the dignity, autonomy, and fair treatment of disabled people, emphasising the importance of inclusion in all aspects of life: education, employment, healthcare, transportation, and more. The goal is to eliminate the barriers that prevent people with disabilities from fully participating in society and to ensure they have the same rights as non-disabled individuals. Historically, individuals with disabilities face significant marginalisation, often confined to institutions, excluded from the workforce, and denied basic services. Disability rights movements emerged to challenge these inequalities, culminating in landmark legislation worldwide. These movements focus on providing disabled people the legal and social framework to live independently and contribute to their communities. In many countries, disability rights are protected by law. For example, the United States passed the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, in 1990, which prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities in all areas of public life, including jobs, schools, transportation, and public and private places that are open to the general public. This act has been instrumental in shaping a more inclusive society. An excellent example of disability rights in action is the push for inclusive education. Schools and universities are required to accommodate students with disabilities, ensuring they have access to the same educational opportunities as their peers. This includes providing physical modifications such as ramps and elevators, accessible learning materials like Braille or audio textbooks, support services like note-takers, sign language interpreters, or personal aids. A real-world example is the case of Oberty v. Board of Education of the Borough of Clementon School District, 1993. A landmark decision in the US where the court ruled that a child with Down syndrome had the right to be educated in a general education classroom with appropriate support. This case reinforced the legal obligation of schools to accommodate students with disabilities under the ADA. Disability rights are not just a legal requirement, they represent a fundamental aspect of social justice. When society actively includes people with disabilities, it benefits everyone. Diverse perspectives and talents enrich workplaces, schools, and communities. Moreover, recognising and addressing disability rights challenges deep-seated social inequalities, helping to create a fairer, more compassionate world. Through continued advocacy and legislative protections, society can move towards true inclusion. Disability rights ensure that individuals with disabilities have the same opportunities and protections as everyone else. Through legislation like the ADA and ongoing advocacy, significant progress has been made in creating a more inclusive society. However, there is still work to be done to break down barriers and promote full equity for all. By understanding and supporting disability rights, we can work together to create a world where all people, regardless of ability, can thrive.